Okay, I'll reload it. Big guy Pacino here. This isn't going to be a show and tell video. Uh, I've been working on doing a JDM showcase for a while. I had several ideas. At first, I was going to do a Nissan video, but I changed my mind because I think Nissan has been getting a lot of attention, especially the Skylines and GTRs. Fair ladies too, but the fair lady Z's, but especially the GTRs because of the Liberty Walk, uh, wide body kits, and then you had yeah, well you had some stuff with the Nissan Sylvia too, Rocket Bunny, but I think companies like Mini GT, who else do that? I think Tomica. I don't know, but decided to do Honda. Plus the Prelude casting, and out in a previous uh, video, I was talking about my Mini GT Honda Civic Type R, which is 2018. But we'll get to that later. And I was looking at Amazon because I was going to get the Prelude Hot Wheels Prelude casting. And before I should have got it because I think it was like maybe like $2.99 or something like that, which is a little high because you can get them for $1, not $1.49. Sometimes in my area, you could probably get if they got a sale, especially if they got a bin for 94 cents or something like that. They even buy one get one free. But some fool on Amazon is think somebody's gonna pay $27 for a mainline casting with no rubber wheels, and this is their first color. It's been done before. They tried to do it with the Chiron, I think last year, because I guess that was the first color, the blue one. Then they tried to do it again, I think with some of the Nissans with the S the S is that S15? S15 I think. But anyway, I'm rambling. And it got me thinking about some of the castings that Honda has that they've done for Honda, and not just in Hot Wheels, but in Matchbox and other premium brands too. So let's get started. Uh, First, I'm gonna start with a red Honda EF, which is based on a 1990 Honda Civic, designed by Rio Asada in 2013 for the HW City Nightburner series. It originally started in 2013. So this is the first color of that. This is a right hand drive, so it is a proper JDM. I don't think oh yeah, included this is it has VTEC and dual overhead cam. That's what DOHC stands for on the side. The VTEC system didn't come to the Civic in the U.S. until 1992. So you can see it has headlights, some no tail lights, windows down, sunroof. Pretty cool. Next, we're gonna go with this yellow 2001 Acura Integra GSR. Designed in 2016, again by Rio Asada. And it debuted in the Nightmare series of that year. There is a white one that came in pearl. Well, it was pearl white with red interior at the same time, and it was in the same series. I want that one too because it has headlights and taillights. But this is the only one I have. I might try to. I'm thinking about making a play and getting that one. But this is a left-hand drive. But there's a discrepancy with this. You know, it's a left-hand drive. After 1998, in America, we had 2 dual headlights. It might have been earlier than that. It might have been 1996. Correct me if I'm wrong. Might be 1996. All the Acuras had dual headlights. I don't think it was earlier than that. Might have been earlier. It might have been 94. I don't know. I have to do research on that. But by 2001, definitely, the headlights did not look like that. They were twin sets of dual headlights. So what most people did, they got the older Acura and took the front clip off the bumper where the headlights and stuff was and put it on their car. Or they got body kits that were specially made with those headlights on. Next, we're gonna go to this silver Honda S2000. It looks gray to me. They said it was silver. And it has some crap on it. I'll have to clean that. Looks like rust. Might be a thing. I'll have to clean that all. Probably use some water or some soap and do some work on that. That's just a lesson even for me. I'll make sure your hands are clean and stuff is not around your Hot Wheels. I need to do a better job of keeping my cars up. But somehow I keep in bands my later cars. I have in better cases now. But somehow I had in bands, so. But like I said, this was designed by Rio Asada in 2011 for the new model series. His name is on the windshield. And it has headlights and taillights. This is also a right-hand drive. A left-hand drive, I'm sorry, US version. The silver one was the second color of the 2011 model series. I wouldn't mind having the first color yellow or the third color red. But at that time, I was getting my cars from Safeway, Giant, CVS, or Dollar Tree. Sometimes Walgreens too. But I wasn't really going to Target or Walmart like that. Next, we got this blue 1990 Acura NXS. Again, designed by Rio Asada in 2015, the HW Workshop series. Well, I guess for both series, HW Workshop and HW Garage, they use the same cars. This blue one has metal flake paint, and it's for 2016. The Then and Now series. There's also a blue one with Spectra Flame paint that came out at the same time, and different wheels instead of these J5s. And that's, of course, the Super Treasure Hunt. The wheels are deep dish, and it looks pretty cool. But at that time, like I said, I wasn't really hunting for stuff. If I found it, I found it. Oh well, and I'll display it. I wasn't really too much into the hot. It was something to do, like on my day off. Next, we got this blue 2017 Acura NXS. Yeah, Rio Asada again. This has been the Rio Asada show on the sly. He designed a lot of models. This was 2016 for the Then and Now series. This is the first color in that metal flake blue. And it has headlights and taillights too. Next, we have this black Honda Civic Type R. It was designed again by Rio Asada and in 2019 for the Nightburner series. In another video, I said that he's in charge of basically the main line. The main line, all the dollar cars. He's like the chief executive, I think, or senior designer now. Been for a number of years. I think for at least 5 years now. 5 or 6 years. Because June May, I think, was at one time, but he left. And him and June May were like, they were thick as thieves, so he pretty much inherited June May's position, especially with the JDM. And this was designed in 2019. For the Nightburner series. This is the third recolor. The first one was red. The second one was white. I think I got both of those too, but I decided to use this one from the 2020 Honda series. It has tail lights. Headlights. It's pretty nice looking car. Next, we're going to get into these Matchboxes. We're leaving Hot Wheels and we're going to the Matchboxes. First up, we got the silver 2008 Honda Civic Type R that debuted in the Matchbox Metro Ride series, produced from 2008, 2012. It was designed by Rio Asada too. He worked for both of them, Matchbox and Hot Wheels. I said that in a previous video. I gave you the information on that. So that's why I always say go back and watch some of my older videos. Because not only do I drop little tidbits on info on y'all, I learn, stuff while I'm researching. Each one teach me. So this is by Rio Asada. It actually is a 1/61 scale model from the 2009 Metro Rides series. Headlights, the emblem, tail lights. And this is a right-hand drive. So this is a true JDM. A Japanese spec, as they say, or Euro spec in real life. Next is this light blue 2017 Honda Civic, produced from 2008 to present. This is first color from 2018. Did I say 2008? Sorry, I made a mistake. I said, like I said, stand corrected. 2018. This is the first color. It's the NBX Road Trip series. I got the second color, which is red, that came out in 2019 too. But I decided to go with this one. Excuse me. And this is a left-hand drive, which is a US spec. This is on a Type R. It's just a regular, I guess, entry-level Honda Civic. Okay, next, we're going to get into the premium stuff. This one, a lot of y'all know this one. Y'all going crazy over it. It's been going crazy over it. Mostly since it came out. This is the yellow Honda Civic EG 2020 Fast and the Furious Fast Tuner series, designed by Rio Asada. And this is a right-hand drive. So it is a true JDM. Can't really make it out right here, but yeah, you can see the steering wheel. Because of the dark tint, and it's got tail lights, headlights. And based on the Honda Civic that was made from 1991 to 1995. Next, we got the blue Acura NXS GT3 that was before designed by Mark Jones in 2019. This is probably the only one out of Honda The Matchbox cars here that was designed by somebody else. This is from Open Track Car Culture series. There's also a black with red trim from Replica, one from Replica Entertainment from the Project Cars. I forgot what Project Cars video game. And that's from 2017. This is a left-hand drive. I got that one too. I think it's Project Cars. Is it 2 or 3? I don't know what video game it's from. Pretty cool. It's a race car. Left-hand drive, of course. And this is just for track. Next, let's get into these two. These are Johnny Lightnings. Probably seen, if you watch my videos, you've seen the yellow one before. I've seen both of them before, but you see the yellow one more because I displayed it more. This casting is based on the 1998 Honda Civic. It's a left-hand drive from the EK series, which is the second version of the sixth generation 6 of the Honda Civic. The yellow one has Bridgestone white leather tires, black matte rims with a lone chrome wheel. That's supposed to be what you call carbon fiber hood. I think they did a good job. Looks like carbon fiber. Yeah. As you can see, this one has a different wheel. This is supposed to be the street racer. Maybe that day he blew out a tire. That's the only rim he could find. It's a variant, I think, different color variant. It has all chrome rims like this. Well, it has 3 chrome rims like this and 1 black one. I gotta get that one too. I think that one is green. Sorry if my hand was in the way. This is from Import Heat. Import Heat Street Freaks. And it was a Miho exclusive. One of 4,800 pieces when it was released. I think it came out in 2018. But I got it in the summer of 2019. The green and black looks like the same. I mean, the green, red, and white looks like the same car. But it's actually a 2000 Honda Civic hatchback. And it's part of the Johnny Lightning Import Rally 2-pack from 2018. Release 3. Unlike the other model, it does not say how many pieces was released. There was also a 2004 Mitsubishi Evo 9 with headlights and taillights in that same pack. I would recommend you get that Evo because people charge for Evos at least $20. You can get that pack, that 2-pack for, I think, under like 10. I think maybe cheaper than that. You can see tail lights, headlights, and this is, I think this is a left-hand drive too. It's a left hand drive. Can't tell from here. Yeah, it looks like left hand drive. And we go back to the Mini GT, which was released in 2007. Well, I'm wrong. The Mini GT was based on the 2017 Honda Civic Type R and Championship White. It was one of 4,800 pieces released. And I got that one. I think it's a 2019 release. And I got it I think in January. I think so. Around there. It's on everybody's channel. Headlights, taillights. And this is a left-hand drive, so this American car. US spec. That's pretty much Honda. The Honda showcase. Until next time, want to thank the subscribers for tuning in. If you tune in, and first time viewers, if you like this content, like I always say, not the best diecast channel, not the worst. Motto is show a little love to the diecast. Decided to subscribe, please hit the notification button so you can be aware of newer videos. And with that said, until then, you can see the next video, which should be show and tell number 67. This is Big Dappuccino signing off. Be safe, take care of yourself, spend time with your loved ones, and show a little love to the diecast.